everyone! Welcome to Dialoguing English. I'm Sophia, your English teacher.
And I'm James, your student.
We're so happy you're here. Before we start, don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to our channel. We have new English lessons every day, short, easy, and fun.
Yeah, so you can practice your English every day with us.
Exactly. Today's topic is, at the hotel, booking a room, and asking for help. We'll learn how to greet, use numbers, talk about days, objects, food and drinks, and daily activities, all in a hotel context.
Wow, sounds like a lot, but I know you'll make it easy, Sophia.
Of course, James. Let's start with greetings. How to say hello and talk to people politely. When you go to a hotel, you always start with a greeting. Let's practice. Listen and repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
And when you leave, you say goodbye or have a nice day.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Perfect. Now let's imagine we're at the hotel. Sophia as receptionist. Good morning. Welcome to Sunny Days Hotel. How can I help you?
Good morning. I have a reservation.
Great. What's your name, please?
My name is James Miller.
Thank you, Mr. Miller. Let me check. Yes, you have a single room for 3 nights.
Yes, that's right.
Wonderful. Please fill out this form and sign here.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Here's your key. Your room is number 204 on the 2nd floor.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. That was great, James.
Thank you.
Let's practice some polite phrases. How can I help you? I have a reservation. Thank you. You're welcome. Everyone listening, repeat with us. At a hotel, you need numbers for your room, money, time, and days. Let's practice numbers 1 to 20 first. Sophia, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
That's easy.
Now some examples. Room number 204. Breakfast at 7. Stay for 3 nights. Pay $100.
$100? That's an expensive hotel.
Yes, but maybe it has a swimming pool. Now, let's talk about days. Repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Perfect! When you book a room, you often say how many days you'll stay.
Like, I'll stay from Friday to Sunday.
Exactly. Or check in on Monday, check out on Wednesday.
Got it.
Let's practice some sentences. I will arrive on Monday. I will leave on Friday. I will stay for 4 nights.
Nice and easy.
Now, let's talk about objects, things you see in your hotel room. Repeat after me. Bed, pillow, blanket, towel, key, door, window, TV, lamp, shower.
Bed, pillow, blanket, towel, key, door, window, TV, lamp, shower.
Great. Now, let's use them in sentences. There is a bed. There is a TV. I need a towel. I can't find my key.
Oh no, I lost my key.
Don't worry, James. Let's go to the reception and ask for help.
Excuse me, I lost my room key.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What's your room number?
Room 204.
Okay, no problem. Please show your ID.
Here it is.
Thank you. Here's your new key.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good job. Now you know how to ask for help politely.
Yeah, that's very useful.
When you stay in a hotel, you often eat breakfast there. Let's learn some food and drink words. Repeat after me. Bread, butter, cheese, eggs, coffee, tea, juice, milk, water, fruit.
Bread, butter, cheese, eggs, coffee, tea, juice, milk, water, fruit.
Excellent. Now, let's make simple sentences. I want coffee. I like bread and butter. I drink water. I eat fruit every morning.
I want coffee too.
Me too, James.
Good morning. Would you like breakfast?
Yes, please. What do you have?
We have eggs, bread, fruit, and coffee.
Great. I'll have eggs and coffee, please.
Of course. One moment, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See? Easy. Just use short, polite sentences.
Yeah, and always say please and thank you.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about daily activities in the hotel. Repeat after me. Wake up. Take a shower. Have breakfast. Go out. Come back. Watch TV. Sleep.
Wake up, take a shower, have breakfast, go out, come back, watch TV, sleep.
Perfect. Now, let's put them in a simple routine.
Okay.
I wake up at 7. I take a shower. I have breakfast. I go out to visit the city. I come back at 6. I watch TV. I sleep at 10.
Nice. That's a relaxing day.
Yes, and very easy to say in English.
Excuse me, what time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 9.
And what time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, let's review what we learned today.
Yes.
First, greetings. Hello, good morning, good evening, goodbye.
Hello, good morning, good evening, goodbye.
Second, numbers. 1 to 20. Example, room 204, 3 nights, 7 o'clock.
Right.
Third, days of the week. Monday to Sunday.
Yes.
Fourth, objects. Bed, towel, key, TV, lamp.
I need a towel.
Good one. Fifth, food and drinks. Bread, coffee, juice, fruit.
Coffee, please.
And last, daily activities. Wake up, take a shower, have breakfast, go out, sleep.
Perfect.
Well done, everyone. You learned how to book a room, ask for help,
and talk about your day at the hotel in English.
That's amazing. I feel more confident now.
And you should. Don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to Dialoguing English. We post new lessons every day so you can practice and improve your English with us.
Yes. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.